Yeah.
He don't even show his Xbox icon.
Reiko. Sub-Zero. Tremor. The Tea House.
You know the penalty for desertion. Here to inflict it, Reiko.
Yeah, Wings, this game is very great
Fight.
for a next-gen only game. You know. But anyway, Reiko Tremor, you know, tried and true. And a tried and true, well, actually, Rain sub, I guess it's zone one. But you're playing Reiko.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, you know, Cole doesn't use Janet.
He just respected the hell out of that. Oh my god.
This may be the best one for Rain, besides the Janet.
I think Cyrex is better, no? Isn't
Not for this
Sub-Zero more
matchup.
for just the zoning? Well, yeah. Dealing with back three is so hard, because I was thinking for low also. It throws me off. It was a low in MK11. So I'm always confused. I'm like, is it low? It looks like a low!
Oh, you tried to arm.
Nah,
That's tough.
Behold my power.
Round 2. Fight.
Stars.
They should give him. Oh my, that trade. Oh my.
I pressed way too late.
They should give Reiko a Nemesis skin. Just every time he throws the stars, he just says stars.
Bro, Blacko, what are you talking about?
Yeah, this chat is safe for work. Do we not?
Yeah, this is PG chat.
Well, please use the team with some feet on it. How about you, Blacko?
Oh, trust, I'll be safe. But why is Kai having a McDonald's stream with John Cena?
I was collabing with everybody. Who's dead? I think
You know, Rain kills.
43%.
Rain always kills. If not, you just down 3.
No, I think he's still alive actually. Yeah. I tried it. I respect it. Into the
You can't control a storm.
Brutality.
The Brutal was so ass. Please buff that Brutal. It's so bad. You would think it'd do so. I thought it was gonna be like Reptiles Brutal and MKX. Where it turned his head to the bubble. But no. Turned into a puppet. He's so stupid.
Reiko. Rain. Tremor. Sub-Zero.
Pain.
Okay, friends. Okay.
The Fire Temple.
Shao will have to do without a Hydromancer. He will not reign.
Hey, Pains, I hope you read that rule up there. I know you would take advantage of that. Of all people.
That back three is so good. Look at it. Y'all downplay his character.
What he needs it.
Dude, that shit is like actually one of the best buttons in this game. It's the best trade in the game. If you trade it back three, you're actually screwed.
Yeah.
It's a massive hitbox. He ducked, can't do next stand one over nowhere. They mistimed the hell out of that overhead.
Now, yes, I guess.
That's so cheap.
Alright, 30 seconds. Back 3, I'm cold.
We can react to any star fail blow.
Oh my. Don't get hit, Wing. No, he
I
did
did not
that.
hit him.
No, he did that.
He did not, bro. Get out of here.
Come to me, old
This cold guy.
Round 2. Fight.
Victory. You love to see it.
I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate
Oh,
it.
victory.
And overhead. Oh my god.
Victory. There it is. Took him like 14 tries, but he finally got it. He's better at mids, alright.
Bop, bop.
Does this work? No way.
Well, you can't really parry a fatal. He probably could have just thrown himself. Probably could have just thrown himself, not gonna lie. And he probably wouldn't have caught. He did it again! Bro, you're deep. What the heck? Y'all be abusing that parry hard.
Of course.
That parry did extra damage, by the way. I don't know why. Not the parry, that fatal did extra damage.
But I guess it counts as hitting its up. For some reason.
No. What? It only did 1% more. It did
Oh,
1.8% more. No, 1.8. For some reason. I don't know why.
Playing MK and the inconsistencies.
MK1.
Or it should be 12 frames. Alright.
Reiko.
Alright, bro.
Sub-Zero.
Alright.
Tremor. Living Forest.
Alright.
Alright.
Don't make me an enemy, Ray.
Hey, you talk to this guy? You like this guy?
What choice do I have?
That'd be a default distance.
Fight.
I mean, he needs it, so it's alright.
You're downplaying range so hard.
This character's horrible.
I don't know how y'all downplay this character that much. Like, I used to be like, yeah, he needs something, but now he has too much.
Character's mid. Carried by Benios.
Carried by mid.
Oh, but he's just ducking. Not like Cole's making this matchup pretty favorable.
I know, and it's like, what the hell? You want this character buff?
No way. Set point.
Tactics don't hold water.
Round 2. Fight.
No, he did so much damage too. He dropped it. Imagine. He walked into that mid. He dashed up into that mid. Fighting drummer? Yes. Mad grab.
Goat designer.
No,
Hello.
stop that.
What was that? What was that?
Hi, Messiah. He just did that. I'm gonna,
The comeback?
oh, okay,
Oh,
down 4
block.
stars. Oh, the comeback.
Scoot.
I grab. Okay, okay.
That was risky, but it wasn't around.
Final round. Fight.
Forward 1-1. What was forward 1-1? Forward 1-2? Forward 1-1. That's forward 1-1.
Guess he stole up the staff move. Was that forward 1-2?
Who the fuck uses oh, is it the high reaching staff that goes high, low, mid? That's
Yeah.
completely has a horrible hitbox for God knows what reason.
I used to try to
The
duck
staff.
the high. What's what? No
The high has such a shit hitbox.
reason.
It was forward 3. Interesting. And that's a 3-0.
Yeah. It is a 3-0.
Cold point broken recently. I know he was in a 5v5 this afternoon. On Rips.
Oh yeah, cool.
I think he won. I think he beat Honeybee 3-2.
Dang. That's my
I think it was
code
an
right
all. It was a 5v5. One team had all noobs, another team had